to Luis Cabales. Luis Cabales, I'm saying again, I don't want to repeat many times. I never create fake account. Like for example, look at Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano. Oh, they stopped creating the fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. They already how to move on. They learn how to stop. Luis Cabales, with all due respect, I know we are friends each other. Like we never had it before in the first place. I say again, Butch, Luis Cabales. Hey, you can leave the group of Paulo Cruzada and Dina Guillermo. Everything you want. I just chat Nanay Ningning. I told her, Nanay Ningning, you can leave the group chat from Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo and even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. Oh. You can leave pwede ka na umalis. Like I said to you, Luis Cabales, you can leave the group. If you wanted to, you can leave the group. Everything you like, I said to you, you want to leave the group, okay, you can leave the group. I allowed it. Oh. Pwede ka na umalis. Just like what I said before. Here's the question is, Paulo Cruzada, Dina Guillermo, and Marcos Loyalist, and even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Stop this creating a group chat. You make other friends annoyed. For me, for example, for me, Luis Cabales is already tired of this nonsensical group chats. If I were say to both of you, anyway, to everyone, to all of those matter, I say to Luis Cabales, Butch, Luis Cabales, as I'm your former classmate, if you're listening to this, do not repeat it many times. Wag kasi paulit-ulit. Like I said, wag nyo i-use ang Facebook account ko. Like, wag ka gagawa ng fake account. Luis Cabales, it's already done. I was reprimanded by Christian Mingito. I was reprimanded to my parents. I was learning about what my consequence was. I knew it in the past. Wag kasi paulit-ulit. I say to you, Luis Cabales. You know, Wawel Romero and my dad said to me, wag kasi paulit-ulit. You know, it's really repeating. You know, Luis Cabales, if I were you, you can leave the group. There's nothing problem. The problem anyway, Luis Cabales, is Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. They're also the one who create group chat. They are the one who were perpetrators to harass J. Rick Silva. If I say again, kung naniwala ka sa akin, I said to you, Luis Cabales, you can leave the group. You can leave the group chat everything you like. Whether if you were there in the group chat, I supposedly, there's nothing to problem. I'm not criticizing you, Luis Cabales. I'm not picking you a fight. You gave me a Hot Wheels. At the time, Luis Cabales, you gave me a Hot Wheels too. I bought Hot Wheels and Landers. In Japan, in Book Off, I never buy Hot Wheels. In Fukuoka, I bought Hot Wheels. In Landers, in the Philippines. In Book Off, I bought Margarette. Diecast. I just said to you, Luis Cabales, everything you like, you can leave the group chat. I mean, I'm planning to go in Japan. I will look gachapon. I'm buying another Hot Wheels in Nagoya, in Toyota Museum. In Nagoya. in automobile. I will go to Glion. I will look Hot Wheels there in Glion. I will get my souvenir, Glion o Diecast car. I will make you happy, Luis Cabales. If you don't want to say, I will use your fake account, I will never make fake account on Facebook, I already know it. If you want to give you happiness, Luis Cabales, I will go to Japan by December with my family. I will buy a Hot Wheels, or I buy Zvezda, a Russian Spetsnaz, that model soldier. And additional, I will get Hot Wheels or Diecast car. I will go to Osaka in Kyoto by December. It's in my bucket list. It's here the bucket list. I will get in bucket list. I will get Hot Wheels. What Hot Wheels I will get in Osaka, Japan? What Hot Wheels? I will get Hot Wheels. I will get Hot Wheels at Nissan. Nissan GTR. I will get Hot Wheels Dodge Dodge vehicle. 1962. You gave me a Hot Wheels, Luis Cabales, Pontiac. I will get a Hot Wheels. Remember, if you want to be not repeating many times, at me, I say to Luis Cabales, I say again, I will go to Japan. I will make you happy. I will buy Hot Wheels at Diecast. I'll buy what Hot Wheels at Diecast or Dodge. Even Ford Mustang, I will get that in Japan. If I seen this in book of in Osaka, I will get Ford Mustang or Hot Wheels. I will get one. There's nothing to be problem, Luis Cabales. I know you are my former friend. If I say again, you can leave the group chat.